Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Night News. I am your host, Tony Lee, and today I want to go over a few things within the crypto space. But before I begin, I have to say this: I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do should not be considered financial advice. Please, please, please do your own research. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into some cryptocurrency top 10 prices. Okay. So Bitcoin's coming in at number one at 29,741. Ethereum number two at 1,816. Tether number three at 99 cent. USD coin number four at $1. BNB coin number five at $300. XRP coin number six at 39 cent. Cardano number seven at 54 cent. Binance USD coin number eight at 99 cent. Solana coin number 9 at $40 and Dogecoin number 10 at 8 cent. As you can see, we're still in the red. Might not change for a little while. Let's see here. So let's get into some Bitcoin news. Okay, so it says brace for impact. Bitcoin miners have begun dumping their holdings. Now, this is new, you all, because there have been miners that have been mining since, wow, I want to say early 2011, 2012 that have held on to their Bitcoin and they just will not sell, because they believe that the price will get up into the 100,000s um, in the future, in the near future. But like I said, people are starting to sell now, so let's see what's going on. It says for the longest time, Bitcoin miners have held on to the spoils of their activities. That is when the profitability of mining the cryptocurrency was still high. Due to a high cash flow, these miners could afford to hold on to a good portion of their rewards while being able to still carry out their operations. However, recent market trends have tanked the profitability of Bitcoin mining, leading miners to start dipping into their Bitcoin stash and selling to keep operations alive. So, like I said before, previous episodes, we have the war, we have the virus, we have inflation, and now we have interest rate hikes. So there's a lot going on right now. So that's I believe a big reason as to why Bitcoin has lost what over half of its value since November. I believe in November it was around 68,000. Um, but yeah, it's lost the majority of its value since then. So it's as we just discussed, it was a little above 29,000. So it says a good number of Bitcoin miners have held on to the considerable bags, mostly through the bear market. With the turn of the market and Bitcoin now trading below 29,000, well, as we see, it's at above 29,000 a little bit. It's become harder for miners to hold on to these coins without compromising their ability to fund their operations. The result of this has been a number of prominent Bitcoin mining companies coming out to say they have sold or will be selling some of the Bitcoin they hold. So I guess they figure in the long run, they will be able to get more, but I guess they just want to sell just enough just to, like I said, keep the operations going so they can continue to mine in the future. It also says that Marathon Digital is no doubt one of the first names that pop up when the topic of Bitcoin mining comes up. The company has been able to cement its position as a top contender in the mining world and has attracted a large number of investors, but even big companies have not been able to escape the market onslaught. So last month, the firm had announced during an earnings call that it may have to sell some of its Bitcoin holdings. Marathon Digital holds more than 9,600 Bitcoin. Wow. Most of which has held for almost 2 years. However, it seems the day of reckoning is fast approaching, and even large companies will have to get rid of some of their Bitcoin. All right, let's see here. So it says companies that have already sold some of their Bitcoin include Riot and Cathedra Bitcoin. Riot had reportedly sold $10 million worth of Bitcoin back in April, which came out to a total of 250 Bitcoin. Most recently, Cathedra Bitcoin had announced that it sold 235 Bitcoin at an average of $29,152. It came out to a little over 8.7 million. The company explained in its report that it was to help insulate itself from additional declines in the price of Bitcoin and maintain its liquidity position. So, I mean, that's smart in the long run. You sell a little just to keep things going afloat, and that way you can, I guess, prepare for a situation that you may not see coming. So that is smart. It says mining no longer profitable. Bitcoin mining remains profitable, with the price more than 50% down, like I said earlier, from its all-time high. The profitability has declined by a significant margin. A report from Bitcoinist highlights the profitability of Bitcoin mining machines. The miners are now returning 50% less cash flow than they did when Bitcoin was trading at 69,000. So when the next bull market happens, I think this will start to pick up and mining will be more profitable again. Excuse me, but as for right now, it's rough out here. It's rough out here. So like I said, some people are selling, some people are hodling. But yeah, with that being said, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're selling your Bitcoin or if you're holding your Bitcoin. I'm interested to know if everyone believes that now is the time to sell, or if every that's a better. I'll put it in a better way. I'll put the question in a better way. Let me know in the comment section if you all believe that now's the time to sell, or do you all believe that now's the time to hold? I'm just curious to see, I guess, what everyone is thinking right now with the way the market is right now. All right. With that being said, that was tonight's episode. Once again, I am your host, Tony Lee. This is Crypto Night News. And until next time.